Hello everyone, Carmine from New York here, photo class number 630, coming to you live from Midtown Manhattan from West 54th and 7th Avenue. On a rainy day, this is the Lumix G3 with the G Vario from Lumix 45 to 150 millimeter lens. What kind of photographs does it take? Let's look right now, and then we'll come back and check out the specs. All right, guys, you saw a few photographs of what this camera and lens combo takes. Like I mentioned, this is photo class 630. This is the Lumix G3 mirrorless micro four thirds camera, 16 megapixels. Now, I still use this camera professionally. It's my backup, always in my camera bag. Now, first off, the very important DP Review gave this the Silver Award back in 2011 when the camera was introduced. Brand new, this camera cost $700. What did I pay? I paid $94 from mpb.com. They're not a sponsor. I pay for everything. They've never sent me anything for free. Now, why do I send my subscribers and viewers of this channel to mpb.com for camera gear? Very simple. This camera and all the cameras they sell come with a 6-month warranty. It comes with the battery, the charger, and free shipping. Nobody on eBay is giving you a 6-month warranty. Now, remember, they sell cameras from like new condition all the way down to broken. This camera was $94 and I bought it in very well used condition. I have been using this camera for a long time, and to tell you the truth, I would have rated it in excellent condition. So you really do get your money's worth. Now, this camera is spectacular. So it has one SD card slot, okay, which is in the battery compartment. I have to shut the camera off. Okay, so now you'll see that there's an SD card slot there right next to the battery. Okay, and we'll lock that up. So it has so many great features that I have to tell you about. It has a CMOS micro four thirds sensor, which I will gladly show you. Take off the lens. Look at that gorgeous micro four thirds sensor. I tell you guys, even though it's a rainy day here in April, here in Manhattan, this camera has no problems taking photographs on overcast, rainy days. That's how sensitive this sensor is. It has a 2x crop factor, right? Which means any lens you put on it, you multiply the millimeters by 2 because the sensor is smaller than full frame. Now, the camera does not have IBIS, in-body image stabilization. However, the lens, this G Vario 45 to 150 millimeter lens, has Mega OIS, which stands for optical image stabilization. So stabilization is in the lens as opposed to the camera body. All right, the ISO range 160 ISO to 6400. You can take RAW pictures or JPEGs. The touch screen is the star of the show. It's an articulating screen for selfies. You can have it go any which way you want. This is a spectacular camera with the flip screen, which is a touch screen.
Keep those hands up for tonight again. Even in another lifetime.
The electronic viewfinder right here is spectacular. It's colorful, it's bright, and has tons of information inside. It has live view, of course, right? It has video mode. It also has stereo microphones built in, left and right on top of the camera. Pop-up flash, of course. Remember, I am a proponent of pop-up flashes for a little bit of light when you forgot to take your huge flash for the hot shoe. Now, the camera body is made of plastic and aluminum. Now, the video that it takes is AV-CHD at 1920 by 1080 at 60i. 30 frames per second. This is what I recommend. If you want to carry an additional flash with you, for $26 used, you can find the Olympus FL-50, which is a wonderful flash that goes into your hot shoe, and I'll show you a photograph of what that flash unit looks like. All right, so enjoy the photographs that you've been watching, and we'll watch a few more. Subscribe, comment below, and just have fun with your photography with the Lumix G3.